opening the 10th branch of Footstone Spa in 3, 2, 1. Woo! Round of applause, guys! There you go. Congratulations, Footstone Spa, the 10th branch, and still
Ito talaga stress reliever namin sa partner ko since strenuous yung training namin, tapos dikit-dikit din yung schedule ng teams ko namin. So, this is really our go-to place whenever, yun nga, sabi ko rin sir, para mawala na yung stress, just even for a little while. So, nakakatulong talaga sa amin. Bukod doon, it relaxes yung muscles na the next day we go for training, fresh ulit. So, sobrang ano talaga, balik-balikan natin to. Ay, sobrang thankful ako po sa management na ayun, ini-expand nila sa iba't ibang tao for them to be able to experience such service. And hopefully po, sa Cebu naman po, aabot po sa probinsya po. So, maraming po salamat and congratulations.